Welcome to TechieMit. Today in this video we'll see what do you mean by do while loop in Java. Similar to while loop which we saw in previous lecture. On that grounds we do have a do while loop in Java. So that do while loop it adds meaning means that code in the do block is executed at least once regardless of what's the we have the in while condition. So what I mean is that here is the do loop, and this is the block of statements within the do loop, and conclusive to that is the while keyword, and it's the termination condition. The loop is in the while case, and we have the syntax as to you have to declare as a semicolon over here, and terminal boolean condition is specified over here. So at least once the do while loop gets executed. So I'll show you that the now in this condition I've taken a integer variable. I've initialized to 10, have reduced the value until 1, so it gets reduced by one until it prints 1. Let's see. Yeah, as you can see in the screen, the values are printed 1 by 1 by 10, 1 by 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and so on up to 1. So 1 is the final value which is printed. Here what happens? If I just alter the condition, the I is less than 1 is greater than or equal to I. In this condition also it prints once. Let's see what output it shows. It shows at 10. So this was about do while loop. So here is that you need to consider do while loop in such scenarios when you need to execute the condition at least once, whatever might be the this block condition at least once you need to execute, then you may consider to use do while loop. So according to that you should use this control flow statement, that is do while loop. uh, so this video was all about the use case of a do while loop. Do keep liking, subscribing, #TechieMit. More to come on with you for core job basics and code control flow statements. Bye for now.